DNA, the blueprint of life, plays an astonishing role in how we age. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is not just a molecule. It's the very essence of our existence. It's the code that makes us who we are. And intriguingly, it also holds the secrets of how we age. Now picture an intricate dance choreographed by nature. At the heart of this dance are three essential players: nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. These aren't just fancy words. They are the building blocks that maintain the health and integrity of our DNA. Nucleotides form the DNA's backbone, while oligopeptides and amino acids are like the protective armor, shielding our DNA from external and internal threats. They work in harmony, a perfect symphony, ensuring our DNA remains healthy and robust. The ramifications of this are profound. A healthy DNA equals a slower aging process, meaning we stay younger, longer. Maintaining the health of our DNA is crucial, and the key lies in these powerful molecules. The health of our DNA can be significantly enhanced by nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. Now let's break this down. Nucleotides are the building blocks of DNA. They form the rungs of the DNA helix ladder, pairing up to encode our genetic information. Without them, our DNA structure would simply collapse. Moving on to oligopeptides. These are small chains of amino acids that have the crucial task of DNA repair and protection. They act like diligent caretakers, fixing any damage and warding off potential threats to our DNA's integrity. Lastly, we have the essential amino acids that support overall cellular health. They play a pivotal role in protein synthesis and metabolism, ensuring our cells function optimally. In the grand scheme of things, these molecules are the frontline soldiers, combating the external and internal threats that contribute to aging. They are not just essential, they are our DNA's best allies in the fight against aging. But where can we get these DNA-supporting molecules? Enter Immuregan. This remarkable product is a treasure trove of essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, all vital for sustaining DNA health. Immuregan is your ally against external and internal threats to DNA integrity. It fuels your body's quest for youthfulness and vitality, promoting a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, Immuregan is not just a product, it's a partner in your journey towards a youthful life. Our DNA holds the secret to our aging, and now you have the power to influence it. By liking, subscribing, and ringing that notification bell, you're not just joining a community, you're taking a step towards understanding DNA health. This knowledge isn't just fascinating, it's crucial. It's the secret to achieving the youthfulness and vitality we all seek. So don't wait. Dive into the world of DNA health today. Take hold of your aging process and let your DNA lead you to a life full of youth and vitality with Immuregan.